I spent a lot of time with my hands on clay learning, and one day I was trying to make something, and I said, oh no, I collapsed another bowl, and this person said, well, you never ask for help. And I thought, well, how great to be in a community of people who will call you on your stuff. It was the community as well as the clay that I fell in love with.
What drew me to pottery, I think, was the sense of community. You know, you sit in this room with other potters and you talk about pottery and help each other, you make friends.
Full-Circle Pottery is a community pottery studio. We have about 40 members, and we do classes here, and we do individual things, and we do special events. We have people who are beginners, and we have people who are longtime potters who are looking for a community of like-minded, creative people.
We love being on Venice Boulevard here in the heart of Mar Vista because there's many opportunities for people to come out. You know, you can go bowling, you can shop at the thrift stores, you can eat at really good restaurants, and you can come to Full-Circle Pottery and make pottery. So it's a great place to be located. It's a real community.